All right, on today's episode of Python Papi, we're back inside our smart contracts project. Let's have a look at what we're going to be going over today. And we actually finished up our entire module for the Buy Me a Coffee section. This was just going to be a quick recap. I don't feel like doing all this reading, so what I'll do is I'll pan over the entire recap for you. So if you want to slow it down and read over everything we've gone through and implemented inside of this contract, you can do so. I'll start from here. This is where the recap starts, and I'll just slowly start panning down. Like I said, this is the entire recap of everything we've done, everything we implemented, everything we put inside our contract, all the modifications and everything else we've done so far. And that's pretty much everything we've done with the Buy Me a Coffee contract. So it's completely done. This is our actual contract here, the complete contract. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to tomorrow, we'll actually dive inside this contract. I'll bring it over to the Remix IDE and we'll go over it line for line and go over everything that's actually taking place and what's going on. But for now, like I said, if you want, you can actually read over the recap yourself that I just panned over. I'll scroll back up to the start of it and do it one more time. So this is the recap here. So if you want to read over it and see exactly what we implemented and all the modifications we made, you can do that yourself. I don't feel like doing all of this reading. And tomorrow we will bring our completed contract over to the Remix IDE and actually dissect it line by line so we can see what's going on over there and run it a few times and see what's what. Like I said, this is our first full contract. It's a minimum contract, nothing major, no heavy lifting. It's just getting our feet wet and letting us know what's coming up and what to prepare for in this course. So yeah, I'm proud of it. Hopefully you guys have been following me along the way. You guys are keeping score and keeping track, and you're proud of my work also. Like I said, we'll pick up tomorrow with the actual contract, going over that. So look out for it. But of course, I will keep you posted every step of the way. For now, this is the Python Poppy. You guys stay Gucci.